Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we were cleaning up the shop and making room for our daughter's first car, her 1959 DeSoto Fireflight, and a few other projects. Be sure to catch that video if you haven't seen it already. This week, we're going on a field trip to the sweetest place, Hershey, Pennsylvania, for the AACA Fall Swap Meet and Car Show that happens every first full week of October. It's my absolute favorite show, and I'd love to take you along for some of my trip highlights. We are here. It's Monday, just a little bit past noon, and we're getting ready to set up for Hershey 2023.
I got stung by a 1B one day at campground.
Uh-oh.
That car on the water.
Your first
Get steam.
Mama, can you come?
Do you?
Get a cool shower, right? Take a shower. No, that's my fault. I felt like I
Will you tell me why she has to stop at every gas station on the road?
King of the road, trailer for sailoring. Man, trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer for sailoring. Give, man, me, don't pay no. Trailer for sailoring. Trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no trailer for sailoring. Give man of me by no means. King of the road. Trailer for sailoring. Man, trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but give, man of me by no means. Don't pay no you. Trailer for sailoring. Rooms to let. Trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no trailer for sailoring. Give man of me by no means. King of the road. King of the road.
Well, that's another Hershey show in the books. 2023 is done. It feels like every year goes by faster than the year before it. We came, we saw, we covered a lot of miles. We didn't get to do or see everything that we wanted to, but I guess that's how sometimes it goes. I think the one area we really didn't cover much of was the car corral this year. Just didn't get to it. I'm sure there's no shortage of car corral coverage that you could find on YouTube. I'm going to suggest that you check out Matt from Iron Traps. Got a really great review of all the cars that were at the car corral if that's something you're interested in seeing. If you followed along with the video so far, thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to like and subscribe to follow us for some more content. We're going to be digging into the shop, getting a few more things cleaned up, and obviously working on the truck some more before flower season is done for the year. And we've got a lot of footage to cover with that. The only thing left to leave you with now is footage from the trip home, including when we were pulling out of the show, we were following this awesome Stanley steamer. That's why I love the Hershey show so much. I mean, really, when are you going to see something like that driving down the road? It never happens, except for in Hershey. Again, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you at the next one. Alright guys, bonus, if you stuck along to the end of this video, you get to see all the spoils and things that we bought at Hershey. So here we go. This was the year of the dollar pile. We love the dollar pile. You can find some good stuff in there. And then I picked up this drum puller for 40 bucks. That was a no-brainer. We also picked up this Hupmobile advertisement. It's for a local dealer within our area, which is kind of neat to find all the way down in Hershey. The best find of the show, though, was this tricycle that my husband picked up for the kids. They had a blast zipping up and down the aisles with it. And that's it. Thanks for sticking around like Tom Bodette. We'll leave the light on.